Bright light?
Yes, a very bright
Bright light. You're not blinded by the light? Wrapped
Yes,
up like a deuce in the
not
loner in the night.
saying it.
Blinded by the light. Okay. I'll stop. Alright, here we go. Alright. Becky has a few words that she would like to speak.
Do I now?
Yes, please.
Well, we did, well, I should say I did a couple of unboxing videos this morning while Andy slept and didn't realize that somehow I managed to videotape the whole thing upside down and didn't videotape the boxes. I actually videotaped the floor. Yeah, I'm here.
So, we lost that little bit of footage. But the rest of this is going to be about the Rat Rack building. And what else do we got to talk about here on?
Our kids giveaway.
Quentin's, yours looks great, buddy.
So far, I think Quentin is the only entry that I have. I'll have to go back. Matter of fact, I can go back now and look. Let me see.
We're only doing a kids video. I mean, it's only a toy. But Quentin, you're in the running so far, bud. You're the only one in there.
Let's see. I won't make these all watch it again. Let's see. Also on blog. Oh, that's nope. 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 Yeah, nope.
And if Quentin's the only one that enters, he gets...
Quentin's from TNT Balls.
Yes.
Yep, he's the only one.
Well,
that
Quentin,
I have an
if you're the only one, bud, you'll win both prizes. Maybe something extra even for being
brave enough to get out there and do it.
So you might win something special, buddy.
Peppers.
I'll contact your parents if you're the only one that enters, and we'll find out.
We have until Friday, and today's only Tuesday, so we have at least 3 more days.
Yep. So people, please get on the ball. Like TNT Balls. Boxing Bo, it was great to see you back today, buddy.
Oh, and I still haven't told Andy. And I don't look so beautiful right now because I don't have my makeup on. I washed my face already.
So, anyway, yeah. Alright, guys, so... Welcome to Vlog 61.
You better knock it off with that. You know, I'm going to smack you and Jeff. At least I can smack you. Jeff, knock it the hell off right now. He's on here doing it in my ears right now. These both are crackheads.
It's funny.
You just had to do it, right?
Yeah, it was fun.
No, he just likes to hear me complain about it.
Yeah. Alright, guys. Anything else you want to say to him before I get off here?
Like, comment, and subscribe.
And share. And spread the word about DA Exotics. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. So.
And Jeff said don't forget to subscribe to Snake Ear Crowd 17.
Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to Snake Ear Crowd 17.
And if you want a good laugh at somebody's expense, go check out Slashmaster 1990.
1989.
89. See, I'm making you younger than what you are, Jeff.
He's got some good Scorpion videos out right now.
He does.
I like his stuff.
Now only if we can get him over the fact and get his face on camera, make him a little bit more comfortable, guys. Encourage him. Say, come on, come on.
You can do it.
You can do it, man. You can do it.
You can do it, Slashmaster.
I think he's a
Water Boy. That's what the show movie, right? That's where he got it from. Water Boy. Water sucks. Anyway. Later, guys. We're out. Okay, guys. Everybody wants us to do this build, so we're going to do it right here. These are 48 inches. These are 31 3/4 inches. Got two 31 3/4. And then we're going to have the 4-foot ones. We will show you just how this goes together as soon as we get them all cut. Okay? This could be dangerous. Later, guys. We'll be back. Now to explain what happened. Now that Becky cut the boards, she screwed the 31 3/4 inch boards on the bottom, and then the 48-inch boards up the sides here. And then we'll go from here and we'll show you where we're at, okay? And I'll give you the measurements of everything. Okay? We'll be back.
It's like,
okay. Becky cut these 16 inches, 20 1/4, and 28 3/4. Is it? You have it written down over there somewhere.
yeah.
Okay. These are the outside rails. She'll show you just how this goes real quick.
2 of these.
And you need 3 of those, right? 3 of those.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. And she'll show you just how she has it. Just so you get an idea of what it looks like. And then when she puts it together, I'll have her come on and show you. And then we'll show you what you do with these 20.
It's not going to be...
Not big enough, but it goes like that. And then there's one in the middle, and then there's one at the end. All right, we're going to cut one of these together, and then we'll come back and show you what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Now she's going to cover it with the screen, and then we will be back. And when we are back, you'll see what it looks like. Then we're going to put a tub onto the rack, and we'll show you how it goes. All right? As you see, she put the screen on. She prefers to use these electrician's wire staples because she can cross over the seam to hold it together better. You have to put a staple in the middle of this because she has learned not putting a thing in the staple here in the middle. The food will get under here, and when you go to slide the tray out, it gets stuck. So you put that there and it stops it from going up and down. And that's just the first little rack. And it goes like that on top. Got your little hopper tray. When we get this set up, we'll show you how it looks, okay? Guys, hold on. These boards here that run along here are 20 1/4. And then that goes on like that. And then we'll screw it on. But we stick a piece of cardboard under here to hold this up just that thickness from that, so that way there is no it doesn't stick when you go to open it and stuff. See how she put the cardboard down in that corner on the tub? Yeah, we'll put it both front and back tubs, front and back. So then, all right guys, all right. We did it. Later. We'll get it there. No, it slides right out. You can get right in, it slides right in. So then the measurement between the top of this board and the top of the next rail was 11 inches, was it?
Yeah.
From here to the next one that goes up is 11 inches. And so on and so forth. But that's exactly how we do it. Just like that. It slides right in and out. I mean, this might not work so well with mice because mice might be able to get out, but rats are not getting out of this thing.
Patent pending!
Yeah, you guys try to build this at home, we're going to sue you. No, just kidding.
And taking my children's idea giveaway. Huh!
Yeah.
You know who I'm talking to.
Who?
Wasn't it Theory Family Balls? We said they're going to steal our idea.
Oh, I don't remember. I thought
Whoever's the son has quit, and they said they're going to steal our idea because not very many people are doing giveaways for children.
TNT balls, but good job, TNT, because it's good for the kids to be involved. She's only messing with you, buddy.
No, I'm not!
Yeah, look at the face. Look at the face. Look, we got the little smile.
You know what?
All right, guys.
Wait, come here. Come here. I'm going to mess. You want?
No. No, we don't play with power tools. You teach kids to play with power tools and people get hurt. Anyway.
Monkey.
Now the next one's coming up. We're going to put it up there.
Oh!
So, just so you guys know.
Let's go. I want to go home.
All right, and then that's it. And we just put 4 in a row. 11 inches here. This one's 11.5 from the bottom down here to the top is 11.5, and then from here to the next top is 11 and 11, 11. You get 4 racks in a row. That's it, people.
If you follow my instructions,
Yeah.
not Andy's.
Yeah, don't follow mine.
Don't follow what?
Don't follow mine. I'm a bad influence.
Yes, he is.
That's why you build them and I just watch. Isn't it? Isn't it?
Monkey.
All right, guys.